Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all SFM's Accra mix. This one is a total game changer. I'm going to share 3 versions with you all. The classic saltfish. I'm going to do a veggie / whole grain version. And I'm also going to be doing a baked version. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. You'll need to pick up your pack at your local supermarket. So to make this, you want to make sure and read the instructions on the package carefully. You need to follow it carefully because they have made it really easy to make. So I'm going to empty 1 pack of my mix into a big bowl. And I can already smell the saltfish, guys. You don't need to add additional saltfish to this. It has enough saltfish in there. So you're going to add in 1 cup of water. That's what the package says. And mix it really well. If you think it's looking a little bit runny, trust me, it will all come together. So give it a good mix. And once it has been mixed in properly, we're going to go ahead and cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to sit for that 1 hour. After it's finished resting, we can remove that plastic wrap and now we can go ahead and give this a mix. You see how perfect it looks? It's not runny at all, right? And we're going to go ahead and scoop out small amounts, and I'm using a 1.5-inch scoop to help me here. You can use a spoon if you wanted to. These make 20 balls, but I actually got 27. And we're going to fry these on a medium-low heat until they're golden brown. I have to say, this mix really impressed me, and I have to tell you all, it is a game changer. You need to go out and get this mix and try it. Try it, comment down below and let me know. And if you have tried it already, comment and let the viewers who have never tried it before, let them know what you think. Once they're done, you go ahead and drain them and set them aside to enjoy. I'm gonna break into one so you can see what it looks like. It's properly cooked, it's nice, it's fluffy, it's light, it's airy and very delicious. Now let's move on to the second one. We're going to be doing the baked version. So I'm emptying out another packet and I'm going to add in my 1 cup of water and give that a mix. Mix it in really well. As I said, it's going to be a little bit on the runny side, but do not worry. Once you've mixed it, cover it and allow it to rest for that 1 hour again. After it's finished resting, you want to take your mini muffin tins and spritz it with a little bit of cooking spray. Take your mixture and fill your muffin trays. Now these go into my oven. They're going to bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. The instructions are on the package. If you make them big, guys, you'll need to bake them longer. When they're done, you want to spritz it with some more of that cooking spray before placing it into the oven. They're finished. Look how amazing they look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break into one so you guys can see the consistency on the inside. It's a very soft on the inside, very fluffy, and I still have that slight crunch on the outside. So now let's move ahead to the third option. In a pan, we're going to add some oil and we're going to add in some veggies. So I have onions, hot peppers, pimento and scallions. In goes some carrots, some salt to taste, and we're going to saute this for about a minute. You just want to start to get that carrot tender. Next, after it's tender, we're going to add in some melangin or baigan or eggplant. This is just my little twist to using this mix. So give that a mix and we're going to allow this to cook for about a minute until the eggplant starts to feel tender. So this is how it's going to look. Once it's there, we're just going to set this aside and allow it to cool down slightly. In a bowl, I've emptied 1 pack of the mix, and to this, I'm going to add in some extra nutrition. So some flaxseed, some chia seeds, and some hemp seeds. Make sure that the chia and the flax are grounded. You don't get the proper nutritional value if they're whole. Give that a good mix. Next, add in the 1 cup of water and mix that in. You'll notice the trend here. You have to use 1 cup of water always. Mix it really well. And then we're going to add in those sauteed vegetables. If you guys wanted to saute mushrooms too to put in this, feel free to. It will make it really delicious. So mix that in really well. And once mixed in, you're going to go ahead and cover it with plastic wrap. And again, allow it to rest for 1 hour. So no matter which method you do, you must allow it to rest for that 1 hour. After resting, remove your plastic and we can go ahead using our scoop and we're going to start to fry these. You see the perfect consistency? So take your scoop and place it into your oil and fry these on a medium-low heat until they're nice and golden brown. Now you'll notice these got a little extra brown, not because of the oil was too hot, just because of the grounded seeds that we put into the mixture. So you want to fry them until they're golden brown. Drain them and then they'll be ready to be enjoyed. So I'm going to break into one so you all can see the consistency of the inside. I can see all the seeds from those hemp seeds. This is packed with those vegetables and those grains. So amazing. So I hope you guys remember to pick up your pack of Accra mix. It is totally amazing and I 100% recommend this product. So thank you all so much for joining me today. Comment down below and let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
SFM, SFM brand, SFM salted meats. SFM, the sweetest salt meat for cooking. SFM brand no doubt. Quality saltfish smoke herring, tasty melting in your mouth. For big till and box now, salt beef and saltfish. Any meat salted, SFM brand is the choice. SFM. If you want premium salted meats, you need to purchase